Hi everyone, I will share my UPS battery backup, how to mute the sound or remove permanently the beeping sound, because for me it's noisy. We will start to power on. That sound is normal because we using battery. We will wait few minutes for the operational because this UPS backup is working properly. One, two, three, four. That is normal beeping for UPS battery backup. Now we will turn off. We will remove that sound. First, we will remove the pipe screw at the back. We will using screwdriver only. If your UPS battery backup is beeping continuous, means there's a relay problem or battery problem. But this UPS battery backup is working properly. Now the pipe screw already removed, so we will return back. Now open this cover only. Okay. First, disconnect the negative battery. I will show you the speaker, the one we need to remove. I will show you which one we need to remove to mute the beeping or sound. This is the speaker, this black one. We need to remove this one for permanent no beeping or no sound. I will show you how to remove. We will use long nose or plier. Now already removed. This is the speaker. This speaker, there is a sound positive. Yeah, so if you want to return back for the normal operation for the beeping, you need to return as a same position. The positive, it should be upper hole. Now we will return back the negative terminal for the battery. Now already connected, so we will try to power on using battery backup. This is the power button. Okay, everything is connected. I will power on now. Now power on. The sound is gone. So now our UPS battery backup is already mute. This power button, if the green means our battery backup is working properly. This blinking 4 times, that is normal, but the sounds already removed, so it's good, no noisy.